Understanding last forever, English idioms explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, last forever. This is a common expression in English, and understanding it can really help you sound more like a native speaker. So, let's dive in and find out what it means when something is said to last forever. When we look at the words last and forever, we're dealing with two concepts, duration and time. To last means to continue existing or to remain unchanged. Forever refers to an infinite amount of time, without end. So, when combined, last forever suggests that something will continue indefinitely, without stopping or changing. In everyday conversation, last forever is often used figuratively. It's a hyperbolic way to say that something feels like it will never end, even though it will. For example, when someone says, "This class is going to last forever," they don't mean it literally. They're expressing that the class feels very long or is boring. Let's look at some examples to see how last forever can be used in different contexts. True love is supposed to last forever. I thought the meeting would last forever. It was so long. These batteries are advertised to last forever, but they usually don't. A common mistake learners make is using last forever for events that literally will end. Remember, this phrase is often used for emphasis or to express a strong feeling, not to state a fact. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning of last forever. Remember, while some things may seem like they're going to last forever, it's usually just a way of expressing feelings about time. Keep practicing your English, and soon your skills will feel like they'll last forever. Until next time, happy learning!